Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Today I'm going to share with you all of the brand new releases that just came out with recently. Now I do have a ton of them, so I'm just going to get right to it. You guys know I can be a little chatty sometimes, so I don't want the video to be too long. So the first thing I want to share with you is the brand new freebie that is coming out in everybody's order in the month of May. Now this one comes with the new releases, a smaller planner friends, make the best friends, of course, cute little sweet cakes that just was released as well, along with a sweet cakes box, a little picture time, and a bow paper clip. Guys, I think that this might be like my most favorite freebie that I have done like in all times. I absolutely adore it. I just love how all of the colors like look really great on this freebie. So that is coming in everybody's order this month. Now I'm also going to be including another little freebie with people that spend $20 or more in the shop. This freebie will be switched around every Monday. So this week's freebie is bonbon and sweet cakes in this larger marquee. It is on the brand new matte vinyl sticker paper, guys. I am so in love with this paper. I am switching it over to everything in the shop now. Now glossy will be still available for the like bigger kits and things. So this is going to be the freebie. There are actually 9 different colors for this freebie. You won't be able to choose. Actually, if you guys are watching this, go ahead and leave me in the comments section what color choice you would like in your order. But other people, I'm just randomly choosing a color for them. They will be sold separately in the shop as well. So that is the freebie of the week. This will change every Monday though. I also have other little decals now. I had released initially these smaller decals of Sweet Cakes and of Ellie. They were previously 75 cents and a little bit smaller. Now I'm actually going to be doing a larger format of these, and they're going to be $1.50. They're actually going to be on these larger like square sticker sheets, and then like I said, a bit larger. It also is going to have my Bolderbon logo and the web address here. So these are also new decals in the shop. I'm just loving the decals, guys. So this one is the Planner Friends Make the Best Friends, and you have 3 different options. This one is a blank one. This one is fireworks around it, and then this one is my little polka dots in the background. The next one is I Heart Earth. I actually gave these away during Earth Day week. So the earth and then a heart with I Heart Earth. There's lots of different colors of these ones as well. Now I also did a Tree of Life for Earth Day as well, and I just absolutely love it, guys. So these are also available in the shop with lots of different color options as well. So those are all of the decals so far. I will be coming out with many more decals because I'm just so in love with them. Let's move on to the smaller sticker sheets here. So the first sheet here is a full sheet of Sweet Cakes. I also have a full sheet of Ellie the Lucky Elephant. There are tons of these boxes here. So this one is of Sweet Cakes in a cute little box here, also a little post-it note, and then the little marquee, and then there are 8 different colors. So you will be able to buy them separately, or you can buy them all at a discounted price. That goes with the same Sweet Cakes and bonbon here. So 8 different colors of these as well, or if you want them all, you will be able to get them at a discounted price. I also came out with some picture time stickers here, super cute. So lots of little cameras here. Also brand new meals. This is also going to be included as an extra icon in my new weekly kits. Also a full sheet of me time, a cute little circle with a heart, and then also in another little circle there. And then again, all of these stickers are on the new matte vinyl sticker paper. And then a full sheet of Binge with the TV there. Guys, super, super cute. I just love it. And then the last one here is of the bow paper clips that just released in the shop as well. So you get pink, purple, green, blue, yellow, orange, teal, and then black and gray down there. So those are all of the smaller sticker sheets. Now I also have a ton of the larger ones as well. This one is the bow paper clips in a little box here. So these are quarter boxes, and then all along the side here are pink bow paper clips as well. So you can get this sheet in, I believe it's 8 different color choices. I just grabbed the first 2 here. Also a bunch of payday stickers. So these are also the quarter boxes with tons of cute little piggy banks on the side. Again, lots of color choices for those. And then the other one is the important label. And then these are adorable exclamation marks on the side there. Again, all different color choices. And then the last like label type sheet are the happy birthday balloons off to the side here. Super, super cute. Again, 8, I think, different color choices in all of those selections. I also redid the hydrate stickers. So these are more of like a pastel type color, where the other ones were a little bit more vibrant. These are still vibrant enough, especially on the brand new matte vinyl sticker paper. I just love the colors there. The next ones I redid were my day shift, evening shift, and night shift stickers. So I had a request to make these a long time ago, I believe from a nurse, and I have a lot of people reordering them, and I just thought that they needed to be revamped a little bit. So those are just revamped sticker sheets. Now, like I said, a lot of these stickers that are in the shop in the matte removable format are going to be discontinued, but there are a few like this that I will actually revamp and put out in the shop with the new format. All right, now I also have a couple different kits. You guys know I have been bullet journaling and making stickers for the bullet journal. Let's go ahead and go over the June bullet journal kit first. So this is actually the cover page with this adorable sun holding Earth, and then it says June with these shooting stars. I just thought that was perfect for June. The kit actually comes with a calendar and a tracker as well, but you guys can buy these separately as well. The kit just is a little bit cheaper to buy them all together. So the calendar here is 2 large sticker sheets with June and the shooting stars here, just super, super cute. And then the tracker is one of my favorites, where it has a little rainbow with the clouds off on the left-hand side there. So that is the June bullet journal kit. Now I also started in May a Doodle challenge. So if you haven't joined in for the May challenge yet, you guys can do that now. You can start anytime you like, and you don't have to buy the sticker sheets to join us. It's just so much fun to do the Doodle challenge. So this is June's Doodle challenge. Now I also changed the hashtag. May's hashtag is hashtag Doodle with Bon June. I just thought it would be a little bit easier to do hashtag Draw with Bon June instead. So I am changing that really quickly so people don't get used to it, and they will move over to the Draw with Bon. But you can still stick with hashtag Doodle with Bon May for May's version. So this is adorable. I just absolutely love doing it, and it definitely makes me sit down and doodle every day, which is my goal. All right, now I'm also coming out with a brand new personal size kits in the shop, guys. I am so excited for this. I've gotten so many people asking me to do personal kits, and finally I am doing it. So this one is called Razzle Dazzle. It matches the brand new sticker bundle that just came out for June, along with the brand brand new Ultimate Sticker Bundle. So this one comes with 2 different sticker sheets. Also, it has 2 large washi strips on the sides there that fits personal size planners. Also a smaller weekend banner, some deco here, smaller boxes. This one says Summer Bliss, and then the smaller boxes here, like kind of like quarter boxes, but they're like the mini version of them, like the half boxes, but the smaller version. So these are smaller sizes. Some flags up top, also some deco stickers here, so you guys can see some of the brand new deco, midweek and weekly spread. And then it also comes with 7 little check flags, and then 2 habit trackers, and then 2 larger habit trackers. Again, these are like the mini version of the regular weekly kit. Now, I also came out with a couple of other things that match that print. So the budget sticker sheet. Now, I was going to include this with the sticker bundle, but I decided that people may want to actually buy this separately in the shop. So this is going to be in the shop only for now. I also have the June note calendar as well. So you can put this in any notebook. It has the sticker page up top, and I have seen a lot of people use this for their bullet journal as well, rather than having it like the vertical, so you guys can have it like a horizontal layout in your bullet journal if you like that instead. It also comes with tons of icons at the bottom there, and then cute little boxes that you guys can fit inside the boxes here to write on. Now, I also included a note kit. I wasn't going to do that, so it may not be out today. It might come out tomorrow, but in the brand new sticker bundle, the Ultimate Sticker Bundle kit, it's coming out with the note page with the circles up top, and now Erin Condren has actually switched back to the older version, which this was made for, so I may actually start putting this in with the Ultimate Sticker Bundle. I do want to get your guys' opinion on that. This month though, it did come with the circle option here. So if you guys want to buy this, this will be available in the shop. This will not be available in the shop. It was only exclusive to Sticker Bundle subscribers. Now I think you still have like today only to sign up for the Sticker Bundle if you guys want to. I'll leave that again down below. So that is a look at all of my new releases. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, definitely let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!